How often do you find a home with walk-in closets in every bedroom, a 3-level deck with a gazebo, a double-depth garage, workshop, and over 2,600 square feet, all in Caledonia's top school district? You don't. Not like this. This is 8517 Green Valley, where thoughtful design meets unmatched functionality. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, an expansive kitchen with quartz countertops, a large pantry, ample cabinetry, and newer stainless steel appliances. The open layout is filled with natural light, centered by a gas fireplace in the family room. Storage is everywhere, inside and out, from built-ins throughout the home to a 4-stall garage with a workshop, overhead storage, and additional cabinetry. Step outside to a fully fenced yard featuring a 3-level deck, a 12x14 gazebo, in-ground sprinkler system, invisible dog fence, and distinctive landscaping that sets the tone before you even walk in. Minutes from M6, M37, local parks, trails, and community amenities, this home isn't just well-equipped, it's one of a kind.